Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the EasyBlog component. So go ahead and log in. Now the EasyBlog component isn't found on the control panel buttons itself. You have to go up to components, and if you have it, it will be listed and called EasyBlog. So just click on EasyBlog and it will pull up the control panel. It really is a big component, it has a lot of things to it, so it has its own control panel. What we're going to do is just go through a few of the areas that you'll be in most of the time. Configuration, that's typically always done for you. The settings are always done for you when I make the EasyBlog component or hook the EasyBlog component up on your website. So the different areas, what we'll do is we'll go to bloggers. I should have all of your bloggers in the website already for you, but this is where they'll be listed, where you can take somebody out, you can adjust them, you can add their avatar to it just by clicking on that person, and you can go down through here and you'd be able to see the avatar, which I don't know why mine's not showing up, but this is how you add the avatar. You'd browse. Let's go to my folder, and I'm going to put my avatar up there. And then you would just hit save, and it loads your avatar up there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the control panel, which is always the first little tab here on your listings. We're going to go to tags. Tags, kind of think of tags as, some of you may know as meta tags that are out there. It's very similar to that. Blogs use tags in order to help you be pulled up on search engines. So think of tags as very, very important words, but they have to be relevant to your article. You can't just you can't just put random tags in there. It won't work. It has to match and be found and have to do with the article that you're writing. So in this little section you can create the tags ahead of time, and I'll show you. They show up when you go to create a blog. So if you know like the name of your website or the name of your business or your name, those kind of things are tags that you can put in there now. Alright, let's go back to EasyBlog. Categories. Usually I will have created categories for you. You can create more. You can have as many categories as you wish. And basically just think of those are the different areas that you're going to be periodically writing about. So it's good to have a lot of categories. And again, to make categories or tags, you just click on New. Same way you would do anything else in Joomla, you do the New. Always when you're done, hit Save or Cancel. Don't hit your back button. Go back to EasyBlog. Again, settings are already taken care of for you. So then all you'll need to do is go to Blog Entries. And it will show you a list of your entries here. You can also sort them by published, unpublished, or scheduled. Scheduled just means you can schedule, let's say for instance there's one day that you put back for writing blogs. You have one day a month that you can do that, and you decided to write 8 blogs. You can do that, and you can just set them to publish at different times of the month. So you can get that. You can get this all taken care of in one day. So it's really, really convenient. Using that is really a very smart thing to do. To add a new one, you just click Add. Very, very simple. Give it a title. Intro text is just what it says. It is introductory text. It will show up if your website is set to pull a group of blogs. It will show that text, and then it will lead someone into the content. Or if you leave it blank, which is fine, it will just pull a little bit of the content. So you do not have to do intro text, but you can if you want. So you can play with it. It can be think of intro text as maybe almost like a sales tool, a marketing tool. You can really try to capture your readers to read that. So, use it as you see fit. Then over here, obviously, you'll probably see your name listed because you'll be logged in to the system. So you shouldn't need to change that. You choose your category, your published state, publishing date, unpublished date. So if you need to, if you want to take it down after a certain amount of time, you can set it that way. And everything else you should be set. Down here, tags. This is where you can see here's the tags that I already had set in the tag manager. But I know that let's say this article, I was talking about email marketing sales. So obviously I'd want email marketing, I'd want sales, I'd want internet marketing, and customers, permission-based email. So all I have to do is click on those and it adds them as tags to this article. Now you can also add new ones here. So if you, find new ones, type it in there and then click add. And what it will do is it will add it to the tag manager already. So all these tags will show up every time you do a new blog. So it's kind of nice. It remembers everything. And then all you would do is hit save post. And it would save and you would be good to go. So it's a very, very easy component to work with, very powerful if you use it. And if you have any questions on the settings or anything, please do not hesitate to email me.